gold against US dollar. This day we can see that the price formed a bearish breakout below 2390.94, and it has reached the first support level below that, 2356.22. During the day, on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, I shared the details with the traders inside Telegram group how the price will behave and when the breakout happens, where the price could reach. And today goal was that the price will reach 2356.22 after the price has gone below this one because of the strong selling pressure that has been formed below 2390.94 on the 4-hour time frame level, and that was right here around this area and then again around this area. Everything started with this bearish engulfing candle from the 2 days ago, where the price has indicated that the price could reach all the way back down to the first support level, and after the price made a breakout below 2390.94, everything was pointing that the first of these two levels will be broken, and after that 2356.22 is the daily support level, which we can see currently right here. What we can expect next day, which is today, on the 26th of July, we can expect, at least I am expecting, that the price will bounce from this support area back up. So how far will this bounce will be? Everything depends how the strongest resistance levels will be and also what are the targets. But for me, the targets right now is the first of all this one, 239 around 70. We can see that where these two candles have confluence of support and the resistance levels. And below that, if the price continues to fall down with even more, this is the level where the price needs to make a breakout, and that is below 2358 and then below 2356.22. If the price goes all the way back down and closes the day, and also if there are any 4-hour time frame bearish breakouts, if the price goes below 2351, which is the lower side of this demand zone where the buys are waiting, this will indicate that the buys have lost their strength and the price will continue to fall down even more. The targets will be shared inside Telegram group with the traders on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame. What are the levels below this support level? But for now, after the price makes a bounce back up from this price level around 2370, I will see what happens. Will the price continue to rise in value or it will go down again? Everything depends how the candle formations are on the lower time frames. But first of all, whenever the price has gone below this support level, we can see in the past the price has reached and bounced back up. But we need to have in mind that this momentum here is from the upper side. Most of the time we had momentum going from the lower side, which means a bullish momentum, gone down, then again up, and then again down. But in this case, we can see what has happened after the price has gone all the way back down. The price did not wait until here at this support level, and it has continued all the way to 2329.13. Now, where the price will go, everything depends. Today is also Friday. So the Friday is the day when usually the traders get out from their trades, which could also trigger some kind of messy movements on the market, which means the market could bounce up and down and make a jumping around this support level, which will also be against the technical analysis I have just said. So the Friday is the day when it is the best to watch out, especially in the afternoon. So if you are in Europe after 2 o'clock, it is the best to wait outside, because the market in the morning, when the London session opens, usually moves in the direction of the technical analysis, and we can use the support and the resistance levels and the supply demand zones around them to indicate where the price could go. But after that, it is the best to wait, because the market starts to close, and also somehow and sometimes the news gets out, so which can also trigger high volatility, which will impact on the market. So for now, this is all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.